Hey guys, this is Vishal Dandote, and today we will see some interview questions related to JavaScript. So, whenever we are going to interview, and at that time, so there are couple of things we need to prepare. But from that, like this is the common questions which we are checking right now. So basically, there is one important question like interviewer is asking. So how do we check the palindrome string in the JavaScript? So they can ask you to write one function which can accept any string as argument, and after that, in that function you need to check if that string is palindrome or not. If that is palindrome, that function should return true, otherwise it should return false. So this is the basically question from the interviewer. And so before we write the code and check the logic, so keep in mind, so palindrome string means whenever we reverse to that particular word, that word would always same. Like for example, if you see this I word, so here you can see if we reverse this, it is again the same uh, meaning we can say, or the same spelling basically. So that is the nothing but palindrome string. So this palindrome string we can check in the JavaScript using two ways. So basically we will see both ways, and after that I will also show you the um, like how we can optimize the code. So here let's write the code. So as interviewer can ask, like create one function which will check your string is palindrome or not. For that, let me check my function. So basically, my function name will be check palindrome or is palindrome. So here I will copy this uh, spelling, and after this, okay. So this is my function which will accept the string as an argument. So here I need to define my parameter. So this will hold my actual value, and after that I will call to this function, and here I will simply pass so one string called I. You can pass any string because we need to check if that is the palindrome or not. So in this case, what we can do, so whenever we are getting the string, so I will get the string and I will again apply one method on this, that is nothing but the split method. Okay, and using the split method we can split out that string into the array. Okay, and after that we need to reverse that array using the predefined method. So here I can simply use the reverse method, and here I will again join my array, because in this logic, as you can see, this has created our array, and here in at this point we are reversing that array. Okay, and here what we need to do, we need to join that array. So we need to again make the string, or we need to again convert array into the string format. So here I will join with the help of single quote. So basically it means we need to join um, the string without having any space. Okay, and as I'm getting string, I will simply compare my string with the my reverse join, reverse string. Okay, and if this is true, then I will simply return it. So here no need to give the curly braces. So I will optimize my code syntax here, and as you can see, now this function will check if this is equal, then this function will return, because we have used the arrow function. So no need to worry about the return statement or the return word here. So this function will return our result of the function if that is true or false. So console this function, and here you can simply run the code. So I am using Node.js for running this code like this. So index 5, and if you run this code, you can see we are getting true because this is the palindrome word. Okay, whenever you reverse it, it will have again same spelling. Okay, so let's check with another word. So if I console this function again, and here if I pass my name, which is Vishal, and if I run this code again, so you can see now this is the false because if you reverse the string, so whenever you will reverse, you will spell like this: L, then A, then H, then S, then I, and then V. So this is not equal to Vishal, right? So it has different spelling as well as the different pronunciation. So that's why this is not the palindrome string. So in this way, you can simply write your logic and with the help of single line code. And after this, so what is the another way to write the same thing or to check the same string? So let's check that. So for that, but I'm again saying you this is the code optimization way. So basically, this has only single line of code which is doing our um, work, which is interviewer asked. So basically, if you answer like this, he will make he will more happy on your answer. So let's see the another example. I mean, see the another logic. So for that, whenever we are getting the string, so what we need to do? We can simply write the for loop for iteration, and here, oh sorry. So basically, what I will do, I will simply say, okay, and I will iterate every character of the string, and then I can simply create one array. So here I can say const reverse array, and in this array, what I will do, I will push my string character. Okay, and after this, what we can do? After this, what I will do, I will simply reverse my reverse array. So reverse array dot reverse, and here again the same method which is nothing but join, and this will join with the empty space. And once this is joined, what we can do, we can simply compare this with our str equal to our reverse array. Okay, and if that is not I mean that is if that is the true, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So here we need to write the return statement. Let's run the code again, and as you can see the same result. So let me write the logic above as well, so you will get more clearance on that. So this is the function, both this is the two functions where you are doing the same things. So basically palindrome 1 and each palindrome, these two functions are doing the same things. So there can be another way or we can implement that things, but keep in mind here are two important methods, and we have used the predefined method which is reverse and join. Using that, we can simply reverse our array and again join that array, and we can check if that string is palindrome or not. I hope you like my video. If you like, please share and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.